Where's that one go? You need some help with that one? I'll put that one away, thank you. This is one of Galen's new favorite things. He likes to help unload the dishwasher, which I'm all about. Of course, you can see he's not quite tall enough to see where the silverware goes, but he knows it goes in that drawer. And if I could just get him to push the vacuum, we will be in pretty good shape, because he does like to use the broom.
Okay.
Do I need to put that one away? Okay, thank you. I'll put that one away. Is there some Tupperware that you can put away, bub? He knows exactly where that goes, too. All right. Galen, you are the best helper. Is all the silverware out? Oh, no, we had one more fork, didn't we? Nice work. Yes, I agree. Applause, applause.
Okay.
Oh, I need to put that one away, don't I? Thank you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep, Mom has to put the bowls away. Thank you.
Okay.
Yep, I'll need to put that one away too, thanks. Is there any Tupperware in there that you could put away? That would be good, huh? Let's see what we can find. Oh, there is. There's Tupperware. Nope, not that one. Tupperware, yes. You know exactly where that goes, don't you, buddy? Yes, I agree.
Go.
Yeah, where's that go? Uh-huh.
No.
This is hardly going to be cinematic quality. Is that a better spot? Okay, sounds good to me. There's one more. Oh, thank you.
Bob.
What else is up there that you can get?
Mm.
Well, why don't you put your Tupperware away?
What is it?
That's your bowl. Your bowl goes up in the cabinet with Mom and Dad's bowls. Thank you. Oh, no, the Tupperware goes over there. Uh-oh.